Hey guys, it's your girl Carmise. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here at Moe's. I accepted an order going for $8, 3.1 miles. My customer wants 3 items: Moe's famous queso, chicken club quesadilla, and then another chicken club quesadilla. My pickup time literally was 1 minute ago, so I'm about to head inside to see if my order is ready. Oh, child. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Make sure you guys turn your post notifications so notified every single time your girl upload her videos. And yeah, about to go look at the rapid pickup shelf for Nicole. Alright you guys, my order was already ready by the pickup time, which is good. This is a contactless delivery and my customer is 7 minutes away. Y'all, I did not work yesterday. We had another snowstorm, which was annoying as fuck. Like, I literally got ready. I woke up at like 6 o'clock in the morning. I looked outside and it wasn't really snowing or anything, so I'm just like, you know what, I'm just about to go work until it starts snowing, and then I will, wrap it up and go home. So I go to the bathroom and over here, I'm over here getting ready. Doing my hair, and I look outside. Tell me why I look out the window and the whole streets was covered with snow. My whole car was covered with snow. I was like, are you kidding me? I'm like, are you kidding me right now? Ain't no way. Ain't no way. It's snowing right now. Like, ain't no way there's like 2 inches of snow on the ground already. So I was just like, whatever, I'm just going to stay home, and that's all. Good thing I already had a DoorDash vlog for you guys yesterday, so I wasn't too stressed out. But I just pulled up to my customer's house. I'm about to place the items on the steps, take a picture, and then ring the bell. This is a contactless delivery. Alright you guys, looks like their doorbell is broken, so I'll just knock on the door. Alright. Delivery complete. Once I get my next order, I'll be right back. Alright you guys, I just put up to McDonald's. I accepted an order going for $7, 1.2 miles. My customer wants 12 items, 3-pack of cookies, french fries, McChicken, 6-piece McNuggets, 4-piece McNuggets, 10-piece McNuggets, bacon McDouble, cheeseburger. So yeah you guys, I'm here. My pickup time was 1 minute ago, so hopefully the food is done. I'm about to head inside. Looks like they're still working on it, y'all. Alright you guys, I'm definitely past the pickup time. Alright you guys, my order was ready 5 minutes after the pickup time. They were still packaging everything together when I got there. But at least the customer is 2 minutes away. So no, at least the customer is 1 minute away. So I will be there right on time. Alright you guys, I made it to my customer's house. Took me like 2 minutes to get here. I'm about to leave the items on the steps, took a picture, and then ring the bell. This is a contactless delivery, and yeah. Alright you guys, I accepted an order at PF Chains going for $8, 4.3 miles. My customer wants 2 items, kung pao shrimp, egg drop, soup cup. And yeah you guys, my pickup time is in 2 minutes. I am parked on the side. I'm picking up for Sam.
Who's your name?
Sam?
Sam?
Yeah. Thank you. There is cars literally lined up because of the snow right now. Alright you guys, I have my order right here. Alright you guys, I'm about to head over to my customer. This is a contactless delivery and they are 8 minutes away. Alright you guys, I just made it. The customer did not shovel at all, so that's great. I think they're coming to the door. Alright you guys, I'm here at Chili's. I accepted an order going for $8.50 at 1.8 miles. The items are unknown for my customers' food, so I don't know what they got. They ordered through the Chili's website, so I can't see what they got, but all I know is the total is $32.92. So I don't know what they got you guys, but I'm about to go inside. My pickup time is in 2 minutes. For bread. Thank you. What happened? Oh no. Oh no, just making sure it's paid, that's it. Yes. Alright, so they have a drink. And I see some cheesecake. Okay, eating good. But anyways, you guys, my order was ready, but it wasn't at the pickup shelf. It was behind the counter table where the employees are at. So yeah, but at least it was already ready. And yeah, you guys, this is a contactless delivery. It says hand it to customer, but it says leave at front doors. I'm 7 minutes away from my customer, you guys, so I'll see you guys once I get there. All right, you guys, I just made it to my customer's house. I'm about to place the items on the steps, take a picture, and then ring the bell. This is a contactless delivery, even though it is marked as a hand to customer delivery, but it said to leave it at the front door, so that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, I'm putting it in this little area where it's dry. Alright, now I'm about to take a picture and ring the bell. Alright, you guys, delivery complete. Oh shit. Once I get my next order, I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, I am back at McDonald's. I accepted an order going for $7, 3.2 miles. My customer wants 3 items: filet-o-fish, french fries, filet-o-fish. And yeah, that's all they want. My pickup time is in 2 minutes, so I'm about to head right inside, see if my order is ready. And yeah. Yeah, 755.
Yo le comparto a ella, no crea que no, siempre comemos nosotros aquí. Ahí igual.
Alright, you guys, my order was already ready by the pickup time, which is really good as far as getting bad dirty. Alright, you guys, I have my customer's food right here. This is a contactless delivery, you guys, that said please leave order at door and do not ring doorbell, thank you. So I'll do just that. And yeah, my customer is 6 minutes away, you guys, so that is really good. I'll see you guys once I get there. Alright, you guys, I just went into my customer's house. I'm about to leave it on the steps and take a picture and then dip. They don't want me to ring the bell, so therefore I'm not going to. Okay. Oop, there go the dogs. I see why they didn't want me to ring the bell. I am back here at PF Chains. I accepted an order going for $9.50 at 3.7 miles. My customer wants 4 items: signature lo mein, Chains vegetarian lettuce wraps, compound Brussels sprouts, stir-fried eggplant, and yeah, my pickup time is in 1 minute. Hi, I'm picking up for Elizabeth.
Elizabeth? Alright. For Elizabeth?
Yes, thank you.
Yeah. Get home safe.
Thank you. Alright, you guys, I have my customers' food right here. So it's already ready. It was already ready, you guys. And yeah, this is a contactless delivery. They said you can leave the delivery at front door on the table, thank you. My customer is 9 minutes away, you guys, so I'll see you guys once I get there. All right, you guys, I just made it to my customer's house. I'm about to leave the items on the steps, take a picture, and then ring the bell. This is a contactless delivery. I'm gonna leave it on the table. Alright, you guys, I'm about to ring the bell now. Took my picture already. Delivery complete, you guys. Alright, you guys, I am done working for today. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure you guys turn your post notifications to notify every single time your girl uploads her videos. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.